John and Jenny, this is the Juki DDL-8700H I told you about. This is now that we're trying to sew with 135 thread. This is our, if you could see on here, let's see if I can zoom in on it. And you can actually see what thread it is. There you go. So it's 135, 137 bonded nylon. So this is some pretty heavy thread. This is the heaviest thread this machine is going to be able to use. We sold a couple samples just to make sure it would work, and now we're going to show you how it goes. Go ahead, Alberto. So you could rip through these if you want to go faster. We just have it on a slower speed. Alberto, if you can, do one fast. So you see how fast the machine will go? I mean, it'll go even faster than that if you really wanted to. Alright, let me show you the stitch. Okay, so this is the top, the harder cardboard side. And it's going to look like this. It looks nice. We did this one right here upside down, and then it pierced. You know, it made, because the needle comes through the opposite way, it made that, what's it called? You could see that it's protruding. So this is your cardboard side down, the way you would have it on your book. So if we folded this, this would what it would look on the outside, this stitch here. Can you flip it over? Take it out. So your underside, unfortunately, is going to look like this. And I looked in your book, and basically in the book you could see it protruding, but you're using a lot smaller needle. Okay, this is a very large needle, so you really can't get, there's no way to get around this unless you use thinner thread, smaller needle, because the needle's piercing the paper. Okay, so when you fold this, of course, you're not going to see it that well. So here's your book. Of course, it doesn't look like what we've got, but if I zoom in close enough, let me get in there, you could see the way it pierces. But you're using thinner thread, so it is coming, protruding like the machine does with the bigger needle, but this is a smaller needle, smaller thread. Okay, so I'm going to send this video, I'll upload this to YouTube. This is a Juki DDL-8700H, even though you see 87 there. If you look close enough, you'll see an H stamped into the metal right above the serial number. It's really hard to see, but if you can see it there. Okay, so I'm going to upload this to YouTube and send you the link in a couple minutes.